Hello all the MSc Biotechnology students out there. This is a video right for you, MSc Biotechnology Fresher Tips. What you should and what you must do in order to pursue your career further and also do it with confidence so that you can end up in your dream career job. So the first thing is that brush up your basics properly. Yes. Learning basics is the building block of your career. During our UG and PG biotech course, we came across different practicals of biotechnology. Like randomly, we can talk about isolation of DNA, gel electrophoresis, age, cell culturing, isolation of microorganisms, obtain make of metal, transformation, conjugation, BOD-COD determination. So these are only a few experiments from a big list of experimental biotechnology. Whatever we have learned during the course is just a basic. If our basics are firm, then only we can build up a career in research. Next point is make the right decision. Yes. So as a fresher in the biotech sector, the initial struggle remains confined to the decision of pursuing research, education, or industrial exposure. Once this phase is crossed, one must search for the right opportunity by doing a lot of background research into their field of interest. For example, a lot of freshers lose out on time, energy, and interest amidst changing fields and careers. If one is focused from the start, it is easier to chalk out a career and struggle towards achieving their passion, their dream. For example, if one decides to pursue the industrial field, one must chase the multinational companies and or indigenous companies that will help build a stable and strong profile. If they wish to stay in the education line, best to start preparing early and complete a PhD degree while at it. So look for opportunities in reputed institutes and universities and start preparing for the interviews straight away. The first point here that I want to discuss is get job ready. Hunt extensively, that is in companies and governments. The various companies that have a lot of manufacturing happening because of different diseases, companies like Zydus or Bharat Biotech, Serum Institute, they require manpower. They are posting jobs online or even at Biotechnica, production, R&D, QC jobs. They are all available on different job websites as well. You can download the Biotechnica app section, you can check the job section and check out the government jobs which are posted there. Though it may seem like an impossible task, first of all, there is no harm. Then you get into the process. Once you start applying, you get the hang of applying for these posts, and you can always do a trial and error and refine your CV and gain experience in acing the interview process. So lots of vacancies are available in vaccinology, epidemiology, NII, NIV, CDRI, etc. Next point in getting job ready is upgrade your CV. Increase the awareness, right? And also choose the correct city. If you would have been in the finance industry, cities like Mumbai, Gurgaon, etc. would have been perfect to settle in. One must choose their career location in the region where it has the highest demand and is able to generate maximum employment. For example, R&Ds dominate the South and Western India. Pharmaceuticals dominate the Eastern India, etc. So choose cities like Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, and you will find it easy to grow your career as there are a wide range of opportunities in the biotech offered by these cities. You must select the work profile that you wish to serve in and then keep a track of the companies that offer such positions. For example, if you wish to be working on small molecule development, try to approach companies like Biocon, Dr. Reddy's Lab, GlaxoSmithKline, Pharmaceuticals Limited, etc. In case you are willing, you may also look for opportunities abroad, US, Germany, Australia. They offer a lot of research opportunities in the field of pharmaceutical, bio, IT, etc. Biotechnology is of great demand in any country and state since every human depends on it for their development. So career choice is a individual's own decision. In every path that we choose, there will be rises and rejections. The key is to remain patient and vigilant. As a fresher, do not restrict yourself to opportunities. Try approaching as many companies and institutes as possible. Sit for as many interviews as you can. This will help groom you and make you a better, strong candidate for your future attempts. There are a lot of opportunities in biotech. The only trouble is we do not know where and how to look for them. Third point is prepare for competitive exams. The BSc people can prepare for DBT, IIT, JAM and QET to appear in their masters, for admission into masters, and MSc people can go a further ahead to prepare for the PhD, entrance exams, CSIR, GATE, ICMR, DBT, JRF. You utilize this time wisely so that you can do in-depth preparation, make proper notes in your study times, ample time for revision and question practice, and also strengthen the aptitude section. Next point is gaining research experience. When you're making the right decision, yes, you have to choose whether you want to go for a job, you want to go for competitive exams, or you want to gain research experience. So first point is join as a JRF. Though this is a temporary opportunity, this is a golden opportunity since you get to work in a lab, get to work with great scientists, and get to know research organizations, and get to convert your JRF into a PhD. Next is join as research associate, assistant in R&D labs. Join as a temporary research associate or assistant, which gives you the flexibility to work part-time and prepare for your upcoming exam. These temporary projects will help you give some experience. They are like staircases to your permanent dream jobs. There will be no gap in your CV as well. You can mention the work and project guide, organization in the CV, and help you in the future jobs. You will also be getting stipend. Also, not to be a novice when you clear CSIR net later and join the lab, as you would already know how labs work, what is the modus operandi. Also gives you hands-on training and workload won't be too much. So you can prepare along with CSIR net as well. Next point is write research articles and review articles. If you are a passionate researcher, then writing and publishing your research in peer-reviewed journals is something you can do. Maybe something which you have worked on. Work on that manuscript and do some scientific writing. You can apply into peer-reviewed journals. So how does it help you? You gain experience, you gain some certification, and this adds value to your CV. Helps you stand out from the crowd. This is what most are looking for these days in CVs. Of course, for this, you will also need some scientific writing experience. So you can check out Biotechnica's research methodology and scientific writing course as well. So as you understand that as a MSc Biotech, training part is important for biotech students and to get into a job in R&D wing of companies. So first thing is constant skill development. Yes. Keep yourself updated, get future ready, be in the know-how of all the latest in the industry. This is the time to step back and also evaluate your career path. Like, how can I make use of the time to improve my skill set and knowledge base? Why not look for some certification courses, internships, some hand-on training, improve on your productivity skills or presentation skills, etc. First point under this is getting certified. Life science is a vast field, diverse in its nature. It is a field where you have stuff from pharmacy to biotechnology, from biochemistry to molecular biology, to genetics to cell biology. Pick something that you are passionate about, that interests you, which you would require to know your PhD, and do a certification course on it. In fact, Biotechnica stores has around 50 to 60 different certification courses. Do check them out and add it to your resume. The certifications are economically priced, and you even get lifetime access and a certificate as well. But most important thing is you get updated knowledge. So do check the Biotechnica store page for more. Next is join as an intern. Either get a paid internship or pay and get an internship. Multiple organizations in Biotechnica, they provide internships. Hands-on may be a little difficult to find, but many virtual ones are available. Biotechnica is offering virtual internships in bioinformatics, molecular docking, CRISPR, etc. Next is join short-time diploma courses. Enroll in short-time courses like scientific writing, clinical research, etc. This can be into multiple directions and dimensions. This shows that you did something during the pandemic scenario. Also, you can select the option of learning to program. Why you must learning? Because in the future, biosciences will merge with IT. So why not be a catalyst for this? Of course, there are some companies also who are doing it. So if you really want to learn programming, there are multiple courses across the globe on internet, computational biology, Python, BioPython, bioinformatics, molecular docking, molecular modeling, all these things you can learn. Even on Biotechnica platform, you have some courses. Next is hands-on skills and internships. Multiple companies in major cities are available which will give you hands-on training. Learn an equipment which is important for your research skill, which pertains to your area of interest. There will be a charge, but there is no harm in investing in yourself and your career. Some biotech institutes like Hafikain, Actrect in Mumbai, NCBP, IISc in Bangalore, RGCV Thiruvananthapuram, CCMB Hyderabad, they provide internship workshops for students as well as for professors. You can also get hands-on experience on expensive instruments which are actually used in research institutes. So remember, experience creates opportunities. But if no opportunity, no experience. Both are interdependent. Hardly biotech colleges offer campus interview for students. I have rarely heard any college providing campus placement. So it creates a lot of problems for biotech students. Therefore, students should indulge themselves in different seminars or conferences which are held by different colleges, research institutes which gives insights about the current scenario of biotech research and innovation. It also provides as a glimpse of the latest tools and techniques and experiment which we have not seen during the academics. Next, fresher tip is essential developments. Yes, as less they might sound, but they are equally important. You should develop something about personal branding. Concentrate on your LinkedIn profile, upgrade it with certifications, awards, participate in forums, and all of this help your potential employers to gain good insight on you as a candidate. That's where they will find you impressive. Next is build a strong network. You can also use it to connect with like-minded people, and this also helps in getting a job. Build a circle of mentors around you. This will help you keep your spirits high. Networking is connecting to people through webinar, forums, interacting sessions, like how Biotechnica conducts webinar with eminent speakers. You can connect with them on LinkedIn, talk to them, help people in your network. Also, you can improve your interpersonal skills. We know how important interpersonal skills or even public speaking skills are important. So, Biotechnica can also help you attain these skills too. Our CEO, Mr. Sekhar Shuman, himself have designed a course on public speaking for researchers, teachers, and bioprofessionals. Do check it out on App Store. Last is communication skills and public speaking. Because you'll have to present a thesis, attend a conference, presenting a paper on research. Even an interview needs communication skills. You need to be expressive and be convincing. You may think you're already good, but just try to deliver a half-hour topic on a public platform. So basically try to reinvent yourself. So there, biotechnicals, these were the few points that MSc Biotechnology freshers should keep in mind. I'm confident that they are going to help you in your career. Thank you very much.